student, welcome to my channel. Today we shall discuss some more about area and perimeter. In the last session we have discussed about the basic of area and perimeter, in which I explained the definition of perimeter and area using the concept of geometry, and I hope that you get everything clearly. Okay, student? And we have also discussed about the definition and the formula for a certain polygon. And today we shall discuss some more formula for other certain polygon. Before this, let us revise whatever we have studied in your previous classes. Okay, student? Parameter. The total length of the boundary of the boundary is called perimeter of the closed figure of a closed figure. This is the definition. Okay, the total length of the boundary is called perimeter of the closed figure. So, if I draw a rectangle, this is the rectangle, okay, and just suppose that the length is 10 centimeter and the width is 8 centimeter, and we have to find the perimeter of the rectangle. First of all, let's see what does the definition says. The total length of the boundary of a closed figure. Since this is the rectangle and we know that rectangle is always closed, so that this word has been satisfied here. Now we have to satisfy this. We have to find the total length of the boundary. Since we know that the opposite side of a rectangle are of equal length. Therefore, if this side is of 10 centimeter, then it is obvious that this will also be of 10 centimeter, and also this side is of 8 centimeter and this is the opposite, that is why this will also be 8 centimeter. And if I give the name A, B, C, D, then here we can see that AB, BC, CD and AD are the four sides of this rectangle, and also for the total boundary. That is why, in order to find out the total length of the boundary of a rectangle, we have to add these four sides. Therefore, we can write AB plus BC plus CD and plus AD. Now, from the figure, the length of AB, the length of the line segment AB is 8 centimeter. So we can write 8 centimeter. The length of BC is 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. The length of CD is 8 centimeter and the length of AD is 10 centimeter. Okay, so this become here. One most important thing I would like to tell you that here we can also find out the value by just adding them directly. But I want to make a small change here. In this statement, we can see that 10 came two times, 1 and 2. That is why we can write it 2 multiplied by 10 and plus similarly 8 is also 2 times. That is why it can also be written as 2 multiplied by 8. And in the both term 2 is the common factor, that's why it can be taken as a common and here we get 10 plus 8. What is the 10? What is the 10? 10 is the length and 8 is the breadth. Okay, so mark this statement. This will also use in my derivation of the formula for the parameter of rectangle. So keep it in the mind. And now when we solve it, we get 2 multiplied by 18 is equal to 36 centimeter. So 36 centimeter is the parameter of this rectangle. Okay, this is a little and simple example, but now I am going to derive the formula for the parameter of the rectangle. So let's see it carefully. Just suppose that the length of the rectangle is written by L, then this will be the breadth. Similarly, it will be also breadth and this will be L. Okay, now by the definition, total length of the boundary and this will be L plus B plus L plus B. Okay, and now you can compare with this statement. You will find that L is for 2 times. That's why it can also be written as 2 multiplied by L. And B is also for 2 times. That's why it can also be written as 2 multiplied by B. And 2 is common in the both terms. That's why 2 can be taken as common. And here we get L plus B. So this formula will give us the value of the parameter, and here the parameter is represented by P and this is the required formula of the parameter of rectangle. Okay student, now we shall discuss the next is perimeter of a square. Like parameter of rectangle, the same definition is applicable on the perimeter of square. So let us see first of all about the square. As we know that the square is a polygon having 4 sides of equal length. Okay, so if I suppose that this is A
then its all side will be A. Okay, so in this case, when we apply the definition, we find that total length of the boundary. What is its boundary? If I give the name AB, CD, then AB, BC, CD and AD is its total boundary. So in this case, to find the parameter of square, we shall find out the total length of the boundary. And here, in this case, the parameter will be equal to AB plus BC plus CD and plus AB, and hence here we get A plus A plus A plus A, because its all sides are of equal length. So in this case we get this. Since here A is written by 4 times, that's why it can also be written as 4 multiplied by A. What is A? A is the side of square. So it can also be written as 4 multiplied by side. So this 4 multiplied by side is the parameter of square. This is the parameter of square. Okay student, I hope it is clear. So whenever we find the value of the parameter of a square, we use this formula. Now let us see an example on it. If I write here 8 centimeter, since it is the square, therefore its all side will be of 8 centimeter. So it will also be 8 centimeter, this will also be 8 centimeter, and it is also 8 centimeter. And we know that parameter is equal to 4 multiplied by side. So this will be 4 multiplied by, what is its side? Its side is 8 centimeter. So here we multiplied it by 8 centimeter, and hence we get 8 4 32 centimeters. Okay, so this is the required result of the given question. Okay student, now let us see parameter of a triangle. Whenever we study the triangle, it is not necessary that the triangle will always equilibrium. It may be of any type. Okay. So in this case, if this is a triangle A, B, C, and the length of AB is small a, BC is B, and this is C. So in this case, we get parameter is equal to A plus B plus C. What is A plus B plus C? This is the total length of the boundary. Okay, so we use this formula to solve the question based on this. If suppose that A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, and C is equal to 8, then hence here we get parameter is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 8 and this is equal to 13 centimeter. Therefore, the parameter of this triangle is 13 centimeter. So student, I hope it is clear to everyone. So please try to solve more questions at your home for your practice. We shall meet in the next session with new topic. Till then, goodbye.